Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good study notes. Taking effective notes is a powerful skill that significantly boosts your learning and retention. When you actively engage with material by writing it down, you're much more likely to remember it. This process helps you summarize key concepts in your own words, leading to a deeper understanding. We'll explore strategies to organize your thoughts clearly and efficiently, making your study time more productive and less overwhelming. Let's dive into some popular note-taking methods that can transform your study habits. The Cornell method, for instance, divides your page into 3 distinct sections for notes, cues, and a summary, promoting active recall. Another fantastic approach is mind mapping, which visually connects ideas around a central topic, perfect for visual learners. The outline method provides a clear, hierarchical structure, organizing main points and subpoints logically. Each method offers unique benefits to suit different learning styles and subjects. To truly maximize the effectiveness of your notes, consider these enhancements. Using color coding can help you quickly identify important information and categorize different concepts, making review much faster. Don't shy away from incorporating diagrams, sketches, or even simple doodles. Visual aids can clarify complex ideas and make them more memorable. A crucial tip is to review your notes regularly, ideally within 24 hours of taking them, to significantly reinforce your learning and prevent forgetting. Finally, the real power of good notes comes from how you use them for review and active recall. Don't just reread, test yourself using your notes, perhaps by covering sections and trying to recall the information. Consolidating information from various sources into one master set of notes creates a comprehensive resource. A highly effective strategy is to teach the material to someone else. Explaining concepts aloud solidifies your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. This active engagement ensures lasting retention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.